what's up you guys, this is WRBHX and I'm usually known as I2PSP before. I used to review phone cases, skins, accessories for basically any phone that I had during that time. But as I became older, life caught up to me and I had to finish college and graduate and find a job and everything, and then I wasn't able to make any videos. So yeah, my last video was like 9 years ago, so after that I couldn't make any more. But now that I'm not doing much these days because of the pandemic, COVID and such, so I thought maybe I can recreate the channel, add a few more content, because I leaned into car parts, and so it's going to be my focus from now on. And this came in the mail to me like a few days ago. I haven't even opened it yet. It's essentially car parts from here on out, so you're gonna see a lot of videos, not so much more like before that, unboxing videos or like separate unboxing and reviews. This is gonna be all in one. So what I have right now is a 2015 WRX, and basically the next few videos that I'm going to upload is all about the parts and everything about the WRX. I have it in World Rally Blue. As you can see, I am in the trunk. And yeah, this is the first part of the videos that I'm going to make. So let's go ahead and open this. So what I got here is the ProClip USA for my iPhone, because I still have an iPhone right now. This is the ProClip that's compatible with the 2015 WRX. As you can see, it comes in the center mount, as you can see here, and you got pry tool, so you can squeeze this mount over to your car. And then you have the phone mount, phone holder, and some screws to screw it in, so it would look something like this. For this, we will go inside and then install this ProClip and see how it goes. So right now I'm at the inside of the car, and as you can see, I don't have the standard radio of a 2015, which is the one that doesn't have the touchscreen. This one came from the Forester, so the install is going to be the same as any head unit that you have, as long as you have this cut out here. This gap allows you to place the other side of the holder in place. So all you have to do is just put this gap opener here, insert one, and then insert another one. After that, you just have to grab your center mount and the phone holder together. I attached it already, so you just have to place it inside the gap like so. Then you can remove one of the gap openers here. If you want to use this mount, you can do so, or you can use this gap. All you have to do is just place the gap opener here like so, and then push the ProClip center mount in there, and then it would snap right in place, just like that. So after the install, you just have to take off the gap openers and push the tabs in place, and the install is complete. As you can see, it's mounted like this for me so that I can have access to the buttons, and the two buttons, and you can rotate the phone holder so that it when you put your phone in, you can access it directly. You can use landscape mode so that when you're using navigation or anything in your phone, you can just, you know, place it like that. And yeah, it's as sturdy as it can be. As you can see, it doesn't wobble. I'm going to include a few clips here and there to, you know, so you can kind of get the idea of how this performs when you're actually driving, because some of the mounts that are in the market today usually just clips onto the AC vents, and the backing plate is usually just magnets. And for some reason, when I'm using those magnets, when I hit like bumps, the phone would just pop off, and that's not a good thing to, you know, to do, especially when you're driving. So this ProClip solution is, if not one of the best solution that you can have for your phone when you're driving, so that you can have still easy access to it. You can still place your USB to charge. There's no obtrusion down at the bottom. So yeah. So right now I switched to another camera so that you guys can see how my phone fits into the holder. This holder fits the small to medium cases for your iPhone 11, and you just slide it in like so, and you're good to go. You can use this in either portrait mode or landscape mode, depending on how you want to use the holder. You can adjust its position. It's 360 degrees, so you don't necessarily have to be limited with adjustability. And then, as you can see, it still doesn't block your head unit, so that's good. The one thing that you'll notice is that the multifunction display is kind of a bit blocked, but when you go into an angle, you can still see it, and you still have access to it right here. This also has adjustment screws. Once you remove the phone, you have two screws to adjust these two holders in place. So it's not limited to just an iPhone 11, but on their website you can configure which phone holder you get for your phone, plus the convenience of not having to check your phone to fiddle around with it, you know, while driving. You can just clearly see it here. You can go to your music, you can go to your navigation, or you can go to wherever you want to on your phone without having to be distracted. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, considering the price, it's $70 plus shipping, and then, you know, I guess you get what you pay for. And for this build quality, and, you know, not having to worry about your phone falling off while driving, I think that's a good deal for me. So the price starts at $30 for the center mount, and then $40 for the phone holder. It goes up depending on the holder that you want, so go ahead and check out their website. I'll give you links down at the description box so that you can check out some of their products. And yeah, this is WRBHX, and I'll see you guys in the next video.